Hi everyone, I'm Jen the Creative Guru with Gems, Paper, Scissors, and today we are installing layout number 3 of our 52-week project for the calendar year 2026 into our album. So I have already removed my post covers in my album, and the first page, which is of course the left-hand side, is ready. I have done all my journaling for this layout and I'm excited to get this installed. I'm just going to slide that on in. I have a double flip flap here, so I am going to mark off both sides. So we're going to do a puncture here and here, as well as down below. We know that I love adding more photos than my layout necessarily says is appropriate. So I just grab my flip-flops and attach them. Super easy and fun way to expand or add to my layouts. So I am just going to take my crafter's knife on my take your pick tool and slice into my page protector real fast with my little ruler, and then I will, let's see how that slides on through. I will feed my flip-flops on in, which for this one's a little harder. You see, I instinctively want to do the top one, but it needs to be done after I open it and feed the bottom one through first, because I have them going like so. So when it's in here, it will open and close like so. There's the left-hand side, and now let's go on ahead and grab my next page protector. I'm going to slide that onto my posts and reattach my post covers. I love how easy they are to just spin on to secure my layouts. And I think after this layout, I will have enough thickness to consider. See how it's still kind of pointing down. Another layout or two, and we will be adding in our spine protectors, or extenders actually, and that will make it so that it's as thick on my spine side as it is on my page side. Okay, so now I'm going to slide my book up, grab my right hand side. I have a flip flop and another flip flop, so we're going to go ahead and feed this into my page protector. And just like I did on the left hand side, I will mark my flip flaps so that I know where to cut my page protector. And this one goes up and down as well. Then I will thread my cut protector, my page protector. It's saving my layouts. Let's see about getting this a little bit better for you to see. There we go. So I've got a mark here and here to keep it fairly straight. Grab my craft knife, run it along my ruler, my straight edge, and do that also down below. And one would think that it would be a little harder to cut for this, but it really isn't. It's the same effort. Just cut your straight line. The harder part is just threading it through so that it doesn't bend my little tab marker. And to do that, I just go ahead and wiggle it on through like so. And voila! We now have our next layout all added to my album, just like so. Nice and fast and easy. And then in the album, it will open just like so, and people will be able to see my journaling and extra photos utilizing that wonderful tool, our flip clouds. Until next time, find your joy and keep on crafting. I'll be back next time. Bye-bye.